everyone, this is Ate Bicolana Dream from Finder in Pampanga, and we have our very first Mediterranean house for sale here at the Yonso subdivision in Angeles. And this subdivision is very close to SM Talabastagan at meron din tayong Wilcon paglabas natin ng subdivision. Now, explore na natin tong napakagandang bahay na to. Well, this side pala, ito yung papasok natin ng carport. And mas makikita nyo na spacious pa siya sa pagpasok sa loob. Right here, you have a very beautiful landscape. At dito naman, yung pinaka-pedestrian gate natin. And also yung pedestrian gate nyo pala, digital na rin siya. So, double swing yung pinaka-pedestrian gate natin. Over here muna. Unahin ko na tong aviary natin. This one kasi, you have your option na i-maintain to as per owner. Pero diba, parang ang ganda niya every morning, sila yung maririnig nyo. So that's it on this side of the property. Now this side is connected sa pinaka-owner pero we can close that kapag na-avail nyo na yung bahay. So yan na lang naman yung natitirang access. And this one is for later. On this side naman, mapapansin nyo yung pinaka-flooring natin from that side kung saan ako galing and then yung aviary nyo. You have a cobblestone dito. Well, this one, very easy to maintain. At the same time, it's not slippery sa mga kids. And syempre, dito kasi pwede na ma-extend yung parking nyo. Ito yung pinaka-parking natin sa bahay na to. Right here. So, slide nyo lang to. Yung pinaka-gate nyo na dyan. Tapos ito yung single carport na covered. But, it's very spacious kahit yung 4x4 and van. Tapos, meron ka pang motorcycle dito. Yan siya, high ceiling as well. And nakita nyo na, naka-solar na din yung buong bahay. So, in terms of parking, pwede pa, kasya pa dito yung dalawa sa space na to. So, parang at the same time, welcome area or outdoor activity, pwede din siya dito. Right? I guess, di ba, nafe-feel nyo na ba or nakikita nyo na ba kahit sa labas pa lang ng bahay yung talagang pagka-Mediterranean style niya. You will love what you will see once we get inside. Let's enter. Ayan. Welcome to your dream home. Pakalinis. As you can see, pagpasok ko, I left my slippers sa labas kasi meron silang ganito. And if you notice, since Mediterranean nga yung design ng house, ganito yung parang kung mga barn door yung pinaka windows nila and main door. And at the same time, double swing to. Double door siya. And as you can see, very sleek yung pinaka main digital lock ng main entrance nyo. Ang ganda. So, unahin na natin yan. Welcome again. Welcome to your dream home. I guess this is everyone's dream home. One of my top list na tong bahay na to. So, right here, this is also your living room. Part of your living room. Pero ngayon, ginawa ng this side lang naman. This side, ginawang office nung seller. This is also included kung gusto nyo ma-leave na yung office na yan if you want to. Tapos this one, meron na kayong automatic na mahjong table. Di man ako marunong yan, pero kasama kasi yan. Then right this side, ayan, you still have a sliding door dito. Ito yung carport na covered natin kanina. Di ba, puro siya ganito na door. Yan. And also, this side, and as you can see, very, talagang ang ganda ng finish ng bahay. Kasi as you can see, yung mga art pieces, very fine finish, and also yung mga choices. It matches everything. Now, on the other side of your living room, from your main door, ito na yung pinaka-welcome area natin. This is where you entertain your guests or your family nyo kapag umuwi na sila. So, this is the area for that. And if you notice nyo, again, this is what I like sa mga living room kasi yung wala ng TV. Talagang mag-uusap lang kayo, magbabanding lang kayo ng family nyo. Diba? I like this kind of living room. Alright. And it's very cozy. Tapos yung talagang feeling na pagpasok, it's very warm. So parang Every day feels like a vacation if you live in this kind of house. Since puro mirror din yung mga wall niya, para nakikita nyo lang yung labas, yung ganon. I like this house. Now, this side pala, ang dami kong sinasabi, di ba? This side, ang ganda niya, magugustuhan nyo dito. Ito this is the first room, pero ito yung sa helper natin. Ito yung room niya. Meron siyang sariling toilet and bath na dito. Wow, ang laki. Ayan na naman ako sa wow, ang laki. Yan. Ay, may mga... Siyempre, may nagbabantay kasi sa house na to, kaya may mga panlinis tayo dyan. Diba? It's a very spacious and cozy for a room ng helper natin, diba? So, this is for her. Para siyang bunk bed style, no? Kaya siya high ceiling. Ayan. Now, on the other side naman is your powder room for your guest. Everything is spacious dito sa bahay na to. Look at that. Ito yung gusto kong finish ng mga wall. Yung parang tigas. Sponge finish. Ganyan. Diba? So, kaya, for me talaga, parang first time ko nakakita ng gantong bahay or ma-share ko rin sa inyo dito sa YouTube channel natin. Again, powder room lang to, no? Very Instagrammable na. Ganon. And lastly, this area. This side naman, parang may touch na siya ng pagka-Filipino. Alam naman natin, Solihiya yung gantong style, right? So, this one, ito shoe cabinet na ng owner. Yan. Well-placed, kasi nga naman, pagpasok lang. Very organized too. Oh well, the house comes furnished nga pala. So, may mga minimal gamit lang natatanggalin yung pinaka-owner. Pero may ganyan, yung mga art pieces na yan, kasama na. Now, let's move on to the next entertainment area, where all the conversation and experiences are all shared to everyone else. Yan. Dito naman, arte, no? Pagpasok natin dito, ewan ko ba, parang everyone is invited, every day is a celebration. Ganyan yung feeling ng room na to. So you have your main dining hall. And I love the ceiling, cathedral yung design niya. And also, naging favorite ko yung gantong chandelier. Yung may pagka-rustic, classic na design. So, ganun ka-spacious yung main dining hall na to. So, kung kayo yung family na who loves inviting friends or hosting a party, I guess magugustuhan nyo yung bahay na to. Kaya, ano pang inaantay nyo? You can just book the viewings from the numbers flashing on your screen. Now, unahin ko muna tong side na to. Ito yung sliding door na you can access from your aviary. Andito lang ako kanina. So, pwede nyo siyang i-open. Pwede pa kayo mag-extend kung talaga mas marami yung family nyo. Diba? Everything is connected. Now, this side, oh, by the way, your table is a 20-seater. Tapos, naka-marble yung countertop niya. Ano siya dito, pinag-dikit. Spacious to. First time ko din ata yan yung 20-seater. Unless yung mansion na na-shoot ko. Anyway, over here naman, granite countertop. Mga spices, mga pangarap nating spice racks. Diba? This is a dream. Para sa nagpatayo nito, yes. Who loves entertaining and inviting friends. This one, where you can cook spices. Di atin yan. So, over here, you have your Elba, 3-burner stove with range hood na rin. Tignan nyo how personal yung touch nito. Kahit yung range hood, kinover niya pa ng with design pa. So, para nga naman mag-match sa theme niya na Mediterranean. Now, this one is just another storage for wine glass. Yan. Diba nai-imagine nyo na paano yung event na isa-celebrate nyo dito. And at the same time, sabi ko pala sa living room, wala yung TV. Kasi andito siya sa dining hall. Diba? I call this dining hall. Now, sa another door leads to your pantry. Ito na yung pinaka-pantry natin. Hanggang taas pa nga, oh. Kayang-kaya nyong lagyan ng mga stocks. And this one, ito yung pinaka-storage. Ito pantry. Pero lahat yan, storage din. Ito, walk-in storage. So, walk-in talaga, ang laki din. Ayan. See? May mga shelving pa. Talagang, napag-isipan din lahat ng corner and areas. And, another door that leads to direct access from your living room is this one. So, I guess I'll see you on the other side. Ayan. Let me know what you can say. Dahil nasa ground floor pa lang naman tayo ng napakagandang bahay na to. So, ayan, that's it. I guess we are now moving to the second floor. Before I forget, for those who haven't subscribed yet, you can follow us on all our social media pages. That's Next Level Properties. One thing I noticed din pala, you have a señorita steps. Very good for the kids if you have a little ones pa. And this one pala, pwede kayong maglagay ng art deck or any art pieces collection sa area na to. Or halaman. Yan. Di ba? Ang ganda ng staircase niya. Dali lang akyatin. Now, once we reach your second floor landing area, we have this whole hallway. Ayan, hanggang doon yan. Well, let's show them first. Let's show them first pala sa dulo. Sorry. Thank you, Mr. King. This one is the first main bedroom. One of the main bedroom dito sa second floor. Kasi yung sa first floor natin, di ba, yung kay maid's room na natin. Since mahilig nga mag-entertain and invite ng friends, yung pinaka-owner nito, ayan. This first room, ginawa niyang bunk bed, but hindi siya literal na bunk bed kasi I can see queen size yung mga mattress na ginamit. And at the same time, dito sa area na to, pwede pa rin maglagay ng single size na mattress. And then, you have your 4-door for your cabinet. And at the same time, high ceiling. So, parang hindi siya suffocating. Ganun, ang dami pang area for entertainment wall. And you have your spacious vanity area over here. And one thing is, meron tayong dito. Double access na balcony na pwedeng makonect doon sa next room. Eto siya. Ayan. So, pakita ko naman si other room. Lalaki ng condenser ng aircon. Ayan, this one. Everything is furnished. Everything is included. And at the same time, everything is well planned. Look, kahit yung staircase sa bunk bed pala na to may drawer. And ganito siya kalaki. And lahat yan. From here, hanggang makarating tayo sa taas. Akyatin ko nga muna. Pakita ko sa inyo. I see. Kaya pala high ceiling siya. Well planned. Look, nasa second floor na ako ng bunk bed, nakatayo pa rin ako. Ang saya. Baba muna ako. Ayan. Down to our next room is this one naman. Medyo magkatabi lang sila kasi nga connected yung balcony nila. This one, medyo iba naman yung orientation na. Uy! I haven't mentioned ata yung orientation ng bahay natin is southwest. Okay? Another bunk bed. Another spacious bunk bed. Akitin ko lang ulit. Same din sila ng staircase. May mga drawers. And also high ceiling. A 4-door cabinet then. Over here, you have also your vanity area. And this is your access going to your balcony. So, magkikita sila nung isang room sa balcony. Here. Ayan. Thank you. Nalate yung cameraman ko. Ayan. So, since these 2 rooms pala, wala akong pinakitang ensuite. Ito yung common toilet and bath nila. Yung kahit to common toilet and bath, ang cozy, no? This is your shower area, may enclosure. And also, in addition, multi-point pala yung heater natin. So, kahit sa sink, may heater tayo. Diba? Gorgeous. And since this is your common toilet and bath, meron tayo dito linen area or pwede mag-stock ng towels and all. Mataas na yan. Natingkayad na ako. Now, lastly, we have 2 doors left. Siguro ito na muna, pakita natin. Ayan. This area kasi is made for your laundry area. Tapos pwede na rin dito mag-iron kasi. So, ito siya. And also, you don't need to worry kasi meron siyang natural ventilation. Ayan siya. So, this one, mga kasama na yan. Baka naman. Joke lang. Pa tayo dyan. Diba? Sa second floor yung laundry area niya. And yung corridor nyo, no? Ang linis. Kasi lahat, this is very specific. Pag galing nyo pa lang sa ground floor, ganito na yung paint ng lahat ng wall up to second floor. Ito yung acid wash na pintura. So, parang two-tone siya, pero very warm. Nagko-complement yung mga wooden doors, ganyan. Ganda, no? Ang linis. Now, ito na yung pinaka-primary bedroom. As you can see, this wide yung main door niya. Ay, tapos digital lock na din. Ayan. Ayan, welcome to your main room. Your primary room. Sige, may mga... As we continue yung pinaka-house tour natin, marami tayo nanonotice, diba? So, above standard din yung mga doors, diba? Kasi nga, high ceiling yung pinaka-bahay. Now, let's move on to this area. Ito yung kapag sobrang laki talaga ng room mo, you have this area na parang you call it your own living room and your own bedroom, right? And dito ka magre-review, yung mga activity mo or your schedule, or share this space with your wife or partner. Now, over here naman is your main bed area. Naka-king size na rin. And then as well as it's very cozy. And nasa other side kasi yung moon shape na to, may LED to, which gives you relaxation if you really want to sleep na sa gabi. So, siguro B-roll na lang yung papakita natin. Meron siyang ilaw dito. And additional information na lang din. Kaya, fully furnished din yung bahay. This is just turned over ng March. So, around ganun. So, March pa rin naman nang na-shoot namin yung house na to. And they decided to sell it na lang. Kaya, brand new pa rin yung bahay. Yan. Kaya may mga gamit. So, kaya, if you want this house, huwag nyo na tapusin yung video. Call the numbers flashing on your screen para makita nyo siya in person. Napakaganda niya. Now, this side, since primary bedroom pala to, you have your own balcony naman. Diba? Yung ganyang araw na, gantong oras na your tea. Tea in the afternoon. Hindi na pala coffee. Now, eto magugustuhan nyo. Magugustuhan nyo yung pinaka-walk-in closet niya. You have your walk-in closet over here. Ayan. Kaya pala siya marami ng clothes. So you can see, ang ganda talaga pag-organize yung mga gamit nyo, no? Right here, you have your vanity. Tapos may aircon din yung walk-in closet nyo. Your open cabinet is over here. Ayan. Hindi na natin papakita yung ibang area. Tapos carpeted, this area. Tapos this one naman, meron siyang, pwede nyo isara ng curtain. This one. Ito, yung separate shower area. Also, a spacious one. May enclosure. Sa middle, yung toilet. And then, dito sa other side naman, yung pinaka-sink niya with this large arc mirror din. So, ganun talaga kasi pag Mediterranean na puro arky-arky yung design of corner. Ayan, siguro, I'll give you your quick recap. Balik ako dun sa pinaka-living area nyo kasi that's my favorite part of this house. Tara. For your quick recap, again, this house is brand new and available for sale located here in Leoncia Subdivision. Now, the house sits at 290 square meters for the lot area and you have 206 square meters for your floor area. This is 3-bedroom, 2 toilet and bath. You also have your own maid's room with own toilet and bath as well. You have your 3 carport and the house comes fully furnished and additional may solar na pala. Future homeowners, let's move beyond the open budget myth and focus on what truly matters, finding the home that's right for you. Again, this is Azar Bicolana Dream Home Finder in Pampanga. See you on our next video. Hindi nakakapagod yung ano nyo. Ano?